United States has said it will not grant a visa to Iran's proposed UN ambassador, citing the envoy's links to the 1979 U.S. Embassy Hostage crisis in Tehran. But Iran has now fired back, saying it has no intention of replacing its choice for the position of permanent envoy to the United Nations, adding it will take legal action directly with the world body. The move by the U.S. is a rare step that raises questions about how much influence the White House can wield over the UN and how moderate Iran really is. Iran's choice for UN envoy is Hamid Abutalebi, an Iranian official the U.S. says was part of the group that stormed the U.S. Embassy in 1979 and kept dozens of Americans hostage for more than a year. Abutalebi, who has served as the Iranian ambassador to the EU and to Australia, says he was not involved in the takeover. He only translated for some students there. The United Nations headquarters is in New York City, and without a visa, Abutalebi will be unable to take up his job. U.S. law allows the government to bar UN diplomats who are considered national security threats, but Washington's potentially precedent-setting step could open the United States to criticism that it is using its position as host nation to improperly exert political influence. Some analysts say that Iran's choice of UN envoy looks like a provocation and also shows how far both sides have yet to go before they can overcome years of mistrust. At the same time, Iran is still working on closing a final deal regarding its controversial nuclear program that would permanently lift economic sanctions that have crippled its economy for years. Since Iranian President Hassan Rouhani was elected last year, he's been trying to portray the country as more moderate and friendly with the West. But after selecting an Iranian diplomat that Iran knew the United States would oppose, Tehran may have reopened some wounds that were beginning to heal.